Don't skip this video. You are our only hope.
I am Muhammad.
I am Sundus. We are suffering a lot here. We are suffering from the lack of healthy food and clean water, and from the lack of medicine, electricity, and the transportation. It's the 7 months now, and I'm trying not to give up, but I can't. Time's running out. I have been trying so hard to get it done, but it doesn't work. All I want is to save my son and my family. Am I asking for too much? I'm just asking for a normal, secure life. Our hearts ache every day to survive. Trust me, we age a year every day to survive. Please, help us to evacuate as soon as possible. Keep us in your thoughts and your prayers. If you're watching this video, please engage in it. Like, comment, share, repost. Add it to your story to reach more people. We appreciate all your efforts. Thank you.